In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and holding one of your photos that you wish to delete. Now to select multiple, use those dots at the top left corners. To keep some of those photos, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!